Hey everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I'm going to be installing door locks on Olivia because currently I have to crawl through the passenger side to lock the door on the driver's side if she stays overnight at home or something. So we're going to go ahead and fix that, and yeah, let's get to it. So in this box is a set of door lock cylinders as well as one for the ignition. The kit comes with everything you need, including, of course, the door lock cylinders, one for the ignition, the little clips that actually slide in behind the lock inside the door to hold it in place, and of course a couple of keys. So for this, of course, we're only doing the door locks, so we'll only need the lock cylinder and the clip. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and undo the Phillips head screw that's in the armrest, as well as the 7/16 bolt that's behind the door latch handle. There's also a 1/8 inch Allen head screw to hold the door handle on, so I'm going to go ahead and get that off as well. So while trying to figure out which size Allen wrench I needed for that, this decided to break into 3 parts, which is really nice and useful now, so I don't know what to do with that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and pop the door panel off, and so we can get into the inside. Don't tell me it fit. So I think I found the problem. It's not the door cylinder lock at all. It's actually one of the plastic clips is broken, and it's the lock clip that is at the bottom of the door lock rod that slides into the lock mechanism inside the door. So this has turned into a different project. So let's see if we can do something about it. So you can see that this little plastic tab, it's supposed to go into this hole, and then when the door locks, it latches, but that plastic seems to be a little busted. Okay, I managed to pop out the little plastic piece from the hole inside the door. You can see that it's snapped off on the bottom, if it'll focus. And it's supposed to be on the bottom of this plastics. So I went over to O'Reilly's to grab a pack of the door rod clips. They only had like Ford and GM ones, so hopefully one of these works. So I'll go ahead and check it out. Hopefully one fits into the little hole in the mechanism and I can clip everything back together. Alright, I got this one clipped on. It's in place. Looks like it works. Okay, so that proved to not be as much of a pain as I was expecting today, so I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together, and yeah, we'll be done. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and figure out why this stupid passenger side door panel won't sit flush and clip into place. So I guess we'll figure it out. I'm not sure why. It's almost like it wants to pop out once I get one side in. It's being stupid. So maybe I need to replace a couple of the clips. It looks like a couple of them are a little out of whack, so maybe that's it. Fortunately, I have a bag of a bunch of these things, so this should be easy. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. I don't know. So it's like the top part doesn't want to like stay flush, and I'm tired of banging on it, so that's just going to have to be how it is, I guess. The rest of it's fitting pretty okay, even except for this one for some reason. So I'll just have to live with it. I don't use the passenger side that door that much anyway, so my hand is turning blue from banging on this thing. And I probably am going to replace these door panels anyways because they're a little bit marred. So no big deal. So if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. And if you haven't already, go ahead and feel free to subscribe to my channel for future updates. And if you'd like to go ahead and support the Gearhead Girl, go ahead and click on the Buy Me a Coffee link down in the description below. And you'll get early access to future videos, behind the scenes things, and all the good stuff. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.